Hello everybody, just wanted to do an unboxing video of this SunSun filter that I ordered from Amazon. It's going to be one of the filters on my 125 gallon tank here. I'm going to put this tank in the garage. It was one that leaked. I'll do another video setting this tank up. Anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing video and first thoughts on this filter. This is the only SunSun filter that I have. I figured for $80 on Amazon that I'd give it a try. The box, as you can see, this is how it came. The box isn't in very good shape. I haven't had very good luck with Amazon shipping lately. So anyway, looks like it's in decent shape. It's not broken from what I can tell. And here is the tubing. Looks like pretty good sized tubing. I forget what the flow rate is on this one. It's the 404B. So you can see here the flow rate of this SunSun filter is 2,000 liters per hour, which is about 525 gallons an hour. So this alone should be plenty for my 125 gallon tank. But I'm also going to use some hang on the back filters that was on it before. So I got the bubble wrap pulled down. See, it's the 404B. Uses 55 watts of power. 2,000 liters an hour. Not too bad. One feature that I like on this one, it's got these valves right here for easy filter cleaning. Okay, so the canister is fairly large. As you can see, it's about 17 inches high. Not quite as big as my FX6, but pretty large. Should hold quite a bit of media. I'm going to put the C-Chem matrix inside here. See if I can get it apart with one hand. I'm about to take it apart. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the lid off. Take it apart here and show you guys what it looks like inside. Got a few trays. This is the for the UV sterilizer light. I'm sure that's the bulb. Pretty good sized trays here. There's one, two. Oh, that one came out two at a time. So there's 3 trays and 4 trays. So 4 large trays. Looks pretty good. So first thoughts is, looks like a pretty good size filter. Lot of trays, a lot of room for filter material. Plus it has the UV sterilizer to help control the algae. So I'm going to get it together and run it for a while, and then I'll give you guys a review of it. Like I said, this is just my first initial thoughts of it, but I think it's a pretty decent filter as long as it has good flow and Looks pretty good for 80 bucks. Can't beat it. Thanks for watching.